everyone, welcome back. I wanted to revisit the Sakura Koi palette from my first video and share some more information about it. The first thing I'm doing in this video is swatch the colors over a black line to see if they are opaque, transparent or semi-transparent. I'll also be doing a quick glazing exercise at the end of the video. For the swatch card, I used a waterproof fine liner to draw out the black lines and made them thicker. This lets me easily see which colors are more transparent or opaque or fall in between. From what I can see, the most transparent colors of this set are 022 Crimson Lake and 149 Prussian Blue. The most opaque colors are 003 Chinese White, 114 Permanent Green Pale, 071 Yellow Ochre, 197 Light Red, and 004 Ivory Black. The remaining colors fall somewhere in between, being semi-transparent. These colors are 052 Lemon Yellow, 076 Permanent Yellow Deep, 014 Vermillion Hue, 143 Cobalt Blue Hue, and 092 Viridian Hue. If you are looking for the most transparent primaries in the set, these would be 052 Lemon Yellow, which is semi-transparent, 022 Crimson Lake, which is transparent, and 149 Prussian Blue, which is also transparent. This color trio might not give you the most vibrant hues though. The one thing I dislike about this palette, and I mean specifically the 12 color set, is that the palette does not open flat. The mixing area is on the lid and it stays open on a slanted angle. This means that when using this palette on a table, or when I try to mix the colors on the lid, the watercolors tend to run downwards and the palette just swings back and forth. This does not affect any of the other Sakura Koi palette sizes, as they have removable trays and they open completely flat. As a comparison, my Winsor & Newton Skechers Pocket Box palette opens completely flat. A quick color theory exercise you can do when trying a new palette is a glazing test. You can do this by doing the traditional glazing chart, or by simply layering shapes of the different colors you want to test. Glazing is a watercolor technique where you layer diluted watercolors over an already dried watercolor layer and allow the color placed on top to change the color underneath. This allows you to, for example, build depth or shift a color hue that is not looking as you wanted without having to lift the whole paint layer. This helps you to create more color harmony in your finished painting. see some differences when layering either the cool or warm tones of the primaries, as some look more vibrant and some look more muted. If you'd like me to show you how to do a glazing chart or different types of color mixing charts in a future video, let me know in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and consider clicking the notification button so you don't miss my future videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time!